In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alerts in Tradingview, complete with a strategy to optimize your trading. First off, let's head over to the Tradingview platform. For those who are new, Tradingview is a powerful charting tool used by traders worldwide. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to analyze and track market trends for all sorts of securities. So let's dive right in. Once you're on Tradingview, the first thing we want to do is add a horizontal line to your chart. Why a horizontal line, you ask? Well, the horizontal line is a great way to mark key levels where you want to be alerted if the asset reaches or crosses that price point. Whether you're tracking support, resistance, or crucial price levels, the horizontal line is indispensable. Now, after you've added your horizontal line to the chart, take a closer look. You'll notice a tiny plus sign next to it. TradingView has made it intuitive by placing this sign for quick access. Go ahead and click on that plus sign, and a drop-down menu will appear. It's in these simple, accessible features where TradingView truly shines. From the drop-down, select Add Alert. This option allows you to set specific conditions for your alerts, making sure you're notified when the market hits your target price. This feature is particularly helpful if you're managing multiple trades and need an extra set of eyes on the market. Once you click Add Alert, a new window will appear, presenting several customizable settings to suit your trading strategy. Now let's focus on what happens when you zoom in. When you zoom in on your chart, you'll see a dashed line representing where your alert is set. This visual aid helps you verify it's positioned accurately at your desired price level. The simplicity here is key, as it quickly confirms you've set everything up correctly. It's those little things that make using such tools both efficient and effective. And here's a nifty tip if you want to make any adjustments after setting up your alert. Simply right-click on the alert line, which opens a context menu, then choose Edit. This way, you can fine-tune your alert, whether it's the alert message, sound, or the conditions under which you want to be notified, and there you have it. You've successfully set up an alert in TradingView. By following these steps, you can now keep an eye on critical market movements without having to constantly monitor the charts yourself. It's about making your trading experience both smarter and more efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're well on your way to becoming a more informed and active trader. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies. Happy trading!